So here we have our top equation, which is a parabola. It's quadratic. So it's nice to be able to identify those by looking at them. It just has the x squared and the y is just a y, so that's why it's a parabola. And then this one down here is a circle. At the end, I'll graph those and show you what it looks like. But now solving it algebraically, it looks like substitution would be a good method because in this top equation, you have y equals something. So I'm going to take the x squared plus 3 and plug it in for the y. That's going to give me x squared plus 3 squared equals 9. So I was writing this equation, x squared, and then I replaced the y with x squared plus 3. I gotta square that, and it equals 9. Okay, so what happens? Well, let's see, we get x squared. We're going to get x to the 4th here plus 6x squared plus 9 equals 9. Okay, how are we getting this stuff right here? You could go over here and multiply it out with FOIL, and you get, the F and the O and the I and the L. And then that's going to get you that x to the 4th, 6x squared plus 9. Okay, so what can we combine? Well, we can combine the x squareds. So I get x to the 4th plus 7x squared. Well, let's subtract 9 from each side. Those are out of there. 0. And so now I have that. Okay. So I can factor out an x squared, and I get x squared times x squared plus 7 equals 0. Okay. So I can have x squared equals 0, which gets me 0. Okay, that's a solution. What do I do for x squared plus 7 equaling 0? So we can solve this. You get x squared equals -7, right? If you subtract the 7, take the square root of both sides, plus or minus, and you get x equals plus or minus I square root 7. But these are not real. So as far as our picture goes and everything, they're not real solutions. So we're just looking for real solutions here. So we're in a Cartesian coordinate system. So anyway, it's not that you couldn't work with it, but they're not real numbers. Okay, now if x is 0, what is y? Well, we'd have to go find that equation that we substituted in, right? So we have the equation y equals x squared plus 3. So if you plug in 0 for x, you're going to get y equals 3. And so we're going to have an ordered pair 0, 3. And it looks like that's the only solution. Now, let's see what happens when we go to graph this. This up here, this top one is a parabola. We know it's your regular basic parabola shifted up 3 units because of transformations. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is an even function. And so you get this parabola, well, something like that. All right, what does the circle look like? Well, it's centered at the origin, right? Center is at the HK, which is 0, 0, and the radius is 3. So you're counting up 3, to the right 3, left 3, and down 3. So that circle looks kind of like that. And you can see, oh, there's only one point of intersection right there. Okay, and sure enough, that's the point. Where did I put the point? Right there, 0, 3. So it all worked out. That was fun.